Now the obvious thing to do is the back headbutt first of all. First of all, you've got to, he's got a really tight grip on it. Bang! Headbutt. There. Grab. Strike. Yeah? See? There. We're in the same position, aren't we? We're using the elbow strike here. Then we're bringing his arm around. This way we're doing the turn now. Turning him around and striking down this way. Then punch over from there. So grab from behind there, headbutt behind first of all. Out. I'll do it with someone else. Where's Rich, how are you away? Yeah. Yeah. Headbutt behind. Yeah, that's going to come out. Strike here. Elbow. So you're in this classic position, aren't you?
Yes.
Or you could be in this position for another kata. Yeah, from that position. But anyway, you've done that. Elbow strike behind you, bring his arm around this way, you twist round and you come down onto your arm this way. Yeah? And then, whatever I want to do from that position. So we're getting the turning straight. So does that make sense? Yeah, so they've got from behind here, headbutt, out, elbow, arm round, twist and down. That way you can control them there. Okay? Like this.